I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select Action CompanyHub. Give here the subdomain and API key. So please visit the CompanyHub subdomain and API key. Generate API key. Give here a meaningful name. Done. Copy the API key and subdomain and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the CompanyHub site and contact. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the CompanyHub site. Thanks for watching.